Hi, my name's Jenny. I am a tutor coordinator and I live in the south of Spain. I have done the conversion and advanced translation course through the Translator studio, and I'm here today to share my experience about that. First of all, during the pandemic, like most people, I started thinking about my future and what I wanted to do, and I started thinking about a natural step from teaching, which I was before, to translation. And I thought that having some kind of translation degree would definitely help me moving forward. So I asked some friends, and the Translator studio popped up quite a few times. And so I started to look into it, and I went onto the website and was really impressed about the quality of the website and the information available there. And also, it's not, unknown that the Masters in Translation is really quite expensive. So there was the Masters in Translation or the Translator studio study and feedback, doing, past papers. And the MA is definitely a commitment, and you've got to have full time, and it's very expensive. And I think as a working mum, for me, studying in my own time and getting feedback on past papers was better for me. So not only was it about the timing and the price, it was also about the Translator studio itself, because I really got some really good positive feedback from other people. And I started my journey there with the conversion course, which was great because I had never done any translation before. And it was a real eye-opener, because you think you're a native speaker, and I've spent many years, more than 15 years in Spain, so I presumed I could do this no problem. But actually, it was very challenging at the beginning, and quite surprised about, the mistakes I was making. But really, the feedback is really useful because it gives you positive feedback, and it also gives you areas to work on, which I think is important. Starting out as a translator, you can't expect to be brilliant at it, from the beginning if you've done no experience. So the feedback was fantastic. I did the conversion course. I think it took about a year to do that. So I was teaching and doing the work on the course as well, which is really good, very compatible, and a nice rhythm, and really well structured course. And the feedback was very timely, really, really positive. And then I decided to continue on and do the advanced course, because my ultimate goal was to get the diploma. The DipTrans. So I continued with the advanced course, and I spent another 2 years, I think, working on the DipTrans. Again, part-time, studying and working. In the end, I decided to realize my level and go for the CertTrans, the Certificate in Translation, which came out around about the time I was just coming to the end of my advanced course. So it was really good timing, and it was a good way to really test, where I was at. So I did the Certificate in Translation. I achieved it. I got a merit in one of my subjects. So that was fantastic and really pushed me forward. So I went on and finished the advanced course. And again, just really great structure, really great feedback, great tutors, Gwen and the others, just really, really informative, and they know what they're talking about. I also did a couple of workshops and the Punctuation Pro course, which was super. So I would say, if you have any doubts, if you are trying to find something that's compatible with working and studying, then this is absolutely where you need to go. This is very, very, very good course. And if you go into the Chartered Institute of Linguistics, they actually do recommend the Translator Studio on there. So that, that's a good call out for them. So if you have any doubts, please do it, because you're in very, very good hands. And I have no hesitation in recommending the Translator Studio, and Gwen and the gang, they're all fantastic. Okay, good luck.